You have the job, the Bangalore flat, the new car. You are the definition of Indian middle class success. लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है. You are one paycheck away from disaster. You are not getting rich. You are just stuck. Why? You are in the middle class trap. And आपकी salary will not save you. चलो अब देखते हैं. What is this trap? It is invisible. First, lifestyle inflation. Your first salary was 50,000 rupees. You felt rich. Now you earn 2 lakhs per month and you feel broke. बिल्कुल. Why? The new phone EMI, the bigger flats rent, the weekend trips, the credit bill. Your expenses magically rise to meet your income. You are running faster and faster just to stay in the same place. This is the treadmill. The second part of the trap is the lie we are told. That is, safe job is enough. ये गलत है. A salary is the most taxed, least efficient way to earn. It is one income stream and it is capped. Your boss decides your worth, not you. You trade your valuable time for a fixed amount of money. समझ गए? Wealthy people don't just earn, they own. They own assets. They own systems that work for them. Your salary is not an asset, it is a transaction. The third part is the EMI culture. Home loan, car loan, gadget loans. We are buying our future comfort with today's debt. This is the invisible cage. You are not working for your family. You are working for the bank. This is the definition of the trap. You cannot quit your job. You cannot take a risk. You cannot build your own dream. Why? Because the EMI is due on the 5th. ये एक system है, designed to keep you working. So how do you escape? ध्यान से सुनो. You need a new formula. The James AI Wealth Formula. First, you must break the one salary mindset. You need multiple income streams. This is non-negotiable. We made a full video on AI side hustles. You must start one today. Use your existing skills and new AI tools to build a second income source. Second, you cannot just work harder at your job. You must work smarter. You must increase your value. This is the AI salary stack we discussed in our last video. You must become so valuable that your income becomes leverage, not just a salary. Learn AI fluency. Combine it with your domain expertise. ये बहुत important है. This is how you double your income, not just get a 10% hike. Finally, the asli secret. You must invest. Your salary is for living. Your side hustle income is for investing. You must buy assets, stocks, mutual funds, maybe even AI startups. Your money must start working for you while you sleep. That is the only way out. The middle class trap is a mindset. It is the belief that a good salary is the finish line. Nahi, it is the starting line. Build your stack. Create new income. Invest aggressively. That is how you escape. Shukriya.